Does your child spend a lot of time on digital devices like mobile phones and video games? Does he show interest in hardware and building circuits? Is he innovative? Do you know why it is important to learn robotics? It improves their logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. It also develops leadership qualities and teamwork among the students. They work on real-life projects which are relatable to them. Introducing Mechatron Robotics, one of India's leading institutes for learning robotics AI. We have trained almost 50,000 students since 2018 across India and abroad. Our project-based learning and practical exposure to students helps them to develop their skills and grow in the field of robotics and AI. We bring you courses that deals with electronics, circuits, building projects, Arduino, microcontrollers, Python, and many more. Now no more dependence on online classes and personal interconnections or laptops because we are now offline. Walk in and gain knowledge on robotics and AI right now.